This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use JotForm template full guide. Open your JotForm dashboard, pick a template that fits your form goal, and click Use Template to begin editing fields and settings. Rename the form, update questions to match your language, and set required fields. Configure email notifications and integrations before sharing. Save regularly and preview on desktop and mobile to ensure layout and logic behave as expected. Start by replacing placeholder text with clear, user-friendly questions that match your audience. Use conditional logic to display relevant fields only when needed, and set required fields to prevent incomplete submissions. Choose appropriate input types, such as date pickers, email fields, or numeric inputs for accuracy. Group related fields using sections or pages to reduce form fatigue. Finally, apply a simple theme and test validation to ensure smooth user submission flow. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video so we can keep making useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so consider Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort that keeps you focused on forms. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's a lighthearted pick while you build efficient forms. Now let's get back to the video. Configure notifications so you and respondents receive the right messages after submission, and enable autoresponders for confirmations. Integrate with tools like Google Sheets or a payment processor to automate workflows and collect payments securely. Check privacy settings and storage options to comply with data policies, and set submission limits or expiration dates if needed. Use the share link or embed code to place the form on your site, and always preview before publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.